Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Welcome to Young Trombone page. We are looking at Hot Cross Buns, probably one of the most famous songs for young band that you have ever heard. I once knew someone who I had two of their daughters in band for years. And when I ran into her the last time, she said, I never want to hear that song again. I told her I could bring my horn over and play it. She laughed and said, don't you dare. And here we go. 2, 3. Careful at the end that you have different rhythm. Beginning. The ending. Last two measures. Same pitches. Different timing. Although the time pattern does remain the same. So we are on now to Go Tell Aunt Rhodie. This uses all 5 of our notes. As a practice point, I would probably start by doing B flats to Fs, just to be ready for the middle part of the song. And here we are starting on our D. Go Tell Aunt Rhodie, very famous song. And now we have some private lessons. We'll jump past those a little bit down to Little Robin Redbreast. In this one, there are 3 terms we should know. 2 of them I see on here. I see solo. Solo is going to be one person. Tutti, all together. I see those in here. I do not see soli. Soli is the entire section. So if it were to solo / soli, you might have all the trombone players play that, and then the whole band come in at tutti, or you might have the clarinets do the solo part and jump in on the tutti. It just depends on how your band is set up, and I know plenty of band directors who have used this song in that way to get used to following music and following your rests. I also know plenty who, if they have a smaller band, might just have everyone play the whole song. And here we go. And moving on now. So our skill builder. This is Merrily We Roll Along, also known as Mary Had a Little Lamb. Watch for the repeat sign at the end. Go back, play it one more time. 2, 3, and Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.